Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz C Class 3.0 C43 V6 AMG Premium Plus G-Tronic 4MATIC, which is a petrol automatic. This vehicle is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Designo Diamond White Metallic. To start off with, then you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch AMG multi-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing the diamond white metallic exterior colour. Moving to your boot, you have electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even your weekly shop. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the porcelain leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely porcelain leather, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This vehicle does feature a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable, and once you've found a comfortable position you are also able to save this, as they are memory seats as well as also being heated. On your multifunctional steering wheel you have your volume controls, hands-free options as well as your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 17,302 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you could always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this you have external media connectivity, allowing you to listen to your own music whilst on the go, and of course you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have the premium package, which includes your 360 view camera, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing into those difficult spaces so much easier than before. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.